The quality of this hair is definitely given 10 out of 10. Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna quickly install this unit from Ishow hair. I got 4 bundles and a closure this time, which means your girl was over here creating a wig for herself, and I haven't done that in a little bit, and I made sure I took my time when I was creating this unit. I just used a mesh dome cap to create this wig, and that's pretty much it. But I'm a little salty. You wanna know why I'm salty? Your girl co-washed this. It was hot as hell today. When I say hot, hot. I threw it out on my balcony. I started watching How to Catch a Predator. I never really got into that, but I was watching Joe Budden podcast, and he was on Joe Budden podcast. Y'all know how I feel about Joe Budden podcast. Yeah, so he was on there, and I was like, you know what? I really never watched that. So I started watching it, and it's just disgusting. People are just strange. I was glued to the damn screen while I was watching it, not realizing it was pouring, raining. This wig on my balcony, and it got drenched all over again. And I wanted you guys to see how nice this loose deep wave pattern is when it's air dry. I'm gonna hang out for a little bit after I finish installing it, and then I'll come back on camera and show you guys the results of how it looks when it's air dry. All right, so let's get into this install. I had this hair for a little while though, y'all. When I say a little while, I mean a little while. I just wanted to make sure that the bundles were good, because if we talking bundles, then we gotta make sure the quality is up to par. So I can certainly say this hair is fire, you guys. So for the install process, y'all already know the drill. It's got to be glue hairspray, and I don't really have to go in with any foundation powder with this, because I bleached the hell out of this closure, so I feel like it's not necessary. So I'm gonna use this Eco Styling Gel to push my hair back. Y'all already know the drill. So with closures, you guys, I always feel the need to part the closure in different sections, spray the got to be glue in that area, and then part another. So I do that because I feel like with closures, you can't just depend on putting that hairspray just right here and thinking you're gonna be good throughout the whole entire day. So that just adds a little extra security. One of my videos, I seen somebody put underneath the comments that they don't know what they're doing wrong with their closures and their frontals, because every time they smile, the damn lace lifts up. And that means that the lace is too far down on your forehead, girl, because you putting it too close to your your expression lines, you know? So if you ha, that usually raises all of this right here. Or even if you get mad and be like, what? You see your expression is all up in there. So if you got your frontal too close to right here, it's a wrap. I've been there, done that, had to throw a scarf on at Bay House type shit, and then I was upset. No, I don't have a Bay. I'm just saying, yeah. Should I give you one of these? I'm not trying to give y'all one of these. I'm going to cover up the closure line, because that's not cute. But I'm going to swoop these baby hairs down with my Eco Styling Gel. You know, give you a little natural, little swoopy-ana-esque feel. But we just need to fix this piece. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see what it's giving. It's cute, you guys. I'm trying to tell you guys, hair 10 out of 10. I'm gonna take this silk scarf and lay it on the top half, just so it can lay how I want it to. The beat is on, y'all, so I need to pop my lashes on, but I just came back just to show you guys me removing this, watching the hairline come to life. Look at that. Get into the final look. I love it. I really love this hair, you guys. Overall thoughts about the quality of this hair is definitely given 10 out of 10. The bundles are really full. If you have shorter lengths, the less bundles you need, but longer lengths, you definitely need about 4 bundles to get a very full look. I don't have all of the last bundle in because I use some of that hair for ponytails and stuff like that. The hair is very low maintenance. I have straightened this hair, I've curled, and I also dyed it. So the hair is definitely holding up, so you don't have to worry about that. Like, this wave is so perfect for the summertime. But I will leave all of Ishow's information in the description box below if you guys are interested. I'm gonna turn around one more time so y'all can see the back of this hair and just get into this loose. I did add a little bit of serum into this hair also, you guys, just so I can have the luster that I was looking for. But it does already have like a supernatural luster to it. But with a wave like this, I will always suggest you add a little bit of leave-in conditioner so your curls can be a little bit more uniform, and then when it's time to break them up, they'll be even throughout. Also, the hair isn't completely dry, but you get the gist of it, of what it will look like once it completely dries. And that's basically what I was waiting for, so you guys can see how beautiful this pattern was. I got hella shit going on, so I want to really incorporate you guys into it and not give you so much hair content all the time. And even if I am giving you guys hair content, it'll be mixed up a little bit with vlogs. So I hope you guys appreciate it. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you, and I will see you guys in my next one. Ishow hair information will be listed in the description box below. Bye y'all.